How can I deploy Flask apps using WSGI and Nginx? Imagine turning your Python code into a live website that can handle real visitors. That's what deploying a Flask application with WSGI and Nginx is all about. Let's walk through how you can do this step by step. First, understand that Flask is a simple Python web framework used to build web apps. WSGI, or Web Server Gateway Interface, is a standard that connects your Python app to web servers. Nginx is a powerful web server that can serve static files and forward requests to your Flask app. To start, create your Flask app and set up a file called WSGI. This file will tell the WSGI server how to load your app. For example, you might write from app import app and then run your app with apprun. Use a virtual environment to keep your dependencies separate from other projects. Next, pick a WSGI server like Gunicorn or WSGI. These servers run your Flask app and listen for requests. Install them with pip, like pip install Gunicorn. Test your app by running Gunicorn with a command like gunicorn w for bind 0.0. WSGI app. This starts for worker processes listening on port 8000. Instead of binding directly to a port, configure the WSGI server to use a Unix socket file, such as /var/www/myapp/myapp sock. This socket allows Nginx to communicate with your app efficiently. Now, set up Nginx as a reverse proxy. Create a configuration file in Nginx sites, available with details like the server name and listening port. Inside, tell Nginx to forward requests to your socket file. For example, proxy pass Unix, /var/www/myapp/myapp.sock. Link this file into Nginx sites enabled to activate it. Make sure the socket file has the right permissions so Nginx can access it. Restart or reload Nginx to apply the changes. Then, start your WSGI server with the socket configuration, often managed by a system service for automatic startup. Optionally, you can add HTTPS with SSL certificates from Let's Encrypt for secure connections. Also, set up your firewall to allow traffic on ports 80 and 443, and restrict access to your WSGI server port if needed. In summary, deploying your Flask app with WSGI and Nginx involves running your app through a WSGI server that communicates over a Unix socket, while Nginx handles incoming requests, static files, and forwards traffic to your app. This setup makes your application faster, safer, and ready for real-world use. It's a key part of turning your Python code into a live, accessible website.